Hello friends, in today's video we are doing something very fun, something that I hardly ever do on my channel, but I love to go to, and that is estate sale shopping. So we are going to be checking out an estate sale. It's actually the first day of the sale and it just opened about 20 minutes ago. We are about a block and a half away from the house because it is very busy. It is very crowded. I guess it's a great day to go when it's the first day. You know, people are, they're on it. There are garden decorations at this estate sale. I have seen the pictures. So without further ado, let's get in there and go see what we can find. It's a gorgeous spring day in Georgia. I mean, it's actually a little bit chilly, but the birds are out and the greenery is just thriving. Okay, already this person had a beautiful garden. Look at this bearded iris. That's so pretty. Okay, so I'm seeing some things already here on the outside. We've got some garden sculptures. That's such a pretty one. Oh, look at this big bunny. That's hilarious. Oh, that one's so cute. I like the welcome with the little angels. Here's another cherub for 15. Oh my goodness. I feel like I know someone who would love these. What is this? Oh, some toadstools. Ooh, I like this. Yeah, it's ceramic. It's pretty color. What is this? Oh, I love that little pot. Oh my gosh, these lanterns are cool.
I can go. It's not going.
Let's leave that where it won't fall. So pretty. Okay, there's just so many garden goodies. Ooh, I like this together. 10. A pan statue or fountain. So they call it a gazebo. Look at that detail with the climbing, with the roses climbing on it. Extra pretty. And there is just so much. So many pots. And look what we have here. A pedestal. Ooh, there's a larger one back here. Okay, so we got, okay, so here's a marble slab on top for 5. And then a cement column, 75. Oh. As is angel, 15. Oh gosh, I'm glad I didn't make that fall more. And these are just beautiful. I don't really have any space for these, but man, are they beautiful. Yeah, with the koi fish. Love that. Here's another marble slab and column. 30 for this column. Okay, so this one is plastic. And then there's a matching over here. All right. let's wander this way. I love these paths with your flagstone and then the smaller river rocks in between. I think that's a good idea. Oh, these are a cute pair of chairs. Definitely need some love, but I feel like they're quite old. I don't see a price for them though. Oh my, lots and lots. Oh, okay, so here's the table that the chairs go with. Oh, I love that. That type of seating that you can wrap around a tree. The circular seating. This green stripe is actually a direction I'd like to go with some of my stuff in the backyard, my patio area, kind of more loungy hangout area. I think I would need 4 of these and I only see 2. David said there is a nice column that we need to go see over here, so let's go look. Metal candle stand. Okay, so we've actually got a little bit too many columns happening. I like the height of this one. This actually comes up a little bit right to my waist, my belly button area, which I like. I like the taller height for the sundial. This one is cute and it's a good price. It's $15, but I just feel like that's too low to the ground for what the look is that I'm trying to achieve with this sundial. Lots to think about, and wow, there's lots to see. Okay, that's really cool.
How much is the small one?
Oh, it's missing like something on the top. Oh, look at all these pots. $8. Pretty color. And I like that bottom. Looks like somebody painted it at some time. I feel like this is a good deal for these lanterns. Okay, something that we're wanting to do is have a trellis on either side of a seating situation we're going to be building, and I feel like a couple of these would be a good option. And when I looked at these and the wooden ones that are at Lowe's, they're, I want to say, like triple that price, so this might be a good thing to pick up today. They've got a couple of different shapes, so that's kind of more of like a square, and then they've got some that are crisscrossed. Ooh, I like these. Okay, I think we might need to jump on this. Let's come around this way and get a better look. Okay, so these 2 right here.
Yeah, I thought that would be good for that side. Yeah.
A base. So we got 2
Look in there.
ceramic bases that you could use to make some bird baths. And speaking of bird baths, I haven't seen any out here. So I don't know if maybe I mean, there's just so much. I don't know if maybe I just overlooked them, but but that's okay. I don't really need one of those anymore. Let's hope I don't. These bird houses. This one's fun. Made out of license plates. Together.
I'm good.
And then we're gonna start digging.
Okay.
Really like this. If I had a guest room to put that in, that'd be perfect. I genuinely enjoyed every inch of this estate sale, from the garden to the first floor to the second floor of this home. It was filled with treasures. The owner was a fan of doing needlepoint, so there were many needlepoint art pieces that she had made, as well as pillowcases. If you enjoyed visiting this estate sale, please let me know in the comments below, and I will make a point to visit more and be sure to bring you friends along for the next visit. And some of you may have realized this was filmed before we found that glorious candlestick holder that the sundial now rests on top of, which has removed a pedestal from the spring wish list. Well, what a collection that was. And there were some times that I couldn't talk because they either had music playing or there were just a ton of people around, but we were able to come home with a few goodies, so I'll share those later. Well, I think it's safe to say we could have easily spent a ton of money at that estate sale, but what I came home with were these two metal trellises that are going to work perfectly in the garden. I'm either going to be using them as a privacy screen with greenery climbing up, or in the veggie bed for the tomatoes to climb up, which will replace the need for the metal bed frame that's been on my spring wish list. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time.